Hey guys, welcome back to Lando's Kitchen, and today I'll be making shepherd pie. So these are the stuff that I'll be using to make the shepherd pie. I have some peeled potatoes, ground beef, I have cheese, some tomato paste, peas and carrots, the egg yolk, I have a little bit of flour, beef broth, and then we have some milk. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the potatoes are also washed and ready to go inside, so we're just gonna put them inside the pot. And then we're gonna cover and let it boil. So now we're gonna move on to the ground beef. So first what we're gonna do, we're gonna saute some onion and garlic. Yeah, let's saute. Okay, so now this is finished sauteing. So now we're gonna add the ground beef. There you go. And then you're gonna just mix it around. So this is gonna take about 5 to 6 minutes to cook. And just a reminder that when you're cooking ground beef, sometimes there is excess water that will come inside. So all you have to do is just get rid of the excess water. So this is gonna take, as I said before, 5 to 6 minutes. And then after which we'll season to your own liking, and we'll go from guys. Yeah, it's almost there. So let's just give it 3 more minutes and then we'll season the ground beef. As I said before, you see the excess water coming in. So we're gonna get rid of that shortly, okay? All right. Okay guys, so now we're gonna get rid of the excess water. And it's up to you if you wanna get rid of it or you wanna keep it. But for me, I wanna get rid of the excess water. So I'm just gonna use this spoon to take it out. I'm gonna season my ground beef. So I'll be using some garlic powder. I'll be using some black pepper. A little bit of salt. Well, as I said, you season to your liking. Okay, so you can taste as you go along, and if you want to add any more season, you can do so. And then I'm going to put some all-purpose season also. Just a little more. There you go. And then just stir that. Okay, now I'm just gonna put a little bit of tomato paste inside. So just about this. We're gonna stir it inside. The tomato paste, I'm just gonna add a little bit of flour. Just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And we stir, 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 stir. I'm not a chef, I'm just trying something. Okay, now we're gonna add our peas and carrots. There you go. Just stir that in. Looks good, hey? Looks so good. Okay. So now I'm gonna add my beef broth and just let it simmer for around 3 minutes. Stirring the Heat up some more. And this is gonna simmer. Okay, we're gonna cover it and then simmer. There we go. Okay, so finishing look of the ground beef. It smells so good, guys. So now we're gonna turn the fire off. Just cover it and just set it aside, okay? So now we're gonna move on to the potato. So we're gonna mash. We're gonna throw it in here. And then we're gonna mash it. There we go. So now we're gonna add some milk. We're gonna add some butter. Just mashed it all in. Okay, now we're gonna add some cheese. Let me go with that. That's good. And I'm gonna use an egg yolk, just the yolk. And we're gonna mash that all in. It smells so good. So guys, I set the oven at 350 to preheat. So by the time I'm finished looking after the potatoes and everything, the oven is already heated and ready for the potatoes. So this is the container that I'm gonna use to put the ground beef and the potato in to put it in the oven. So this is the ground beef. So now we're gonna add it to the container. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. So good. So now we're just gonna spread it. There you go. So good. Now we're gonna add the mashed potato on top. Okay, now we're gonna also spread it. I'm just gonna use the fork to just give it a little design, you know? Okay, so this is the finishing look of everything. So now I'm gonna put it inside the oven. As I said before, it is heated at 350 degrees, and I'm gonna put it inside for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Now I'm gonna cut it and then let my hubby taste it. You hear that? What do you call it?
No, but if I don't do it. Well, it smells good.
Yeah? Okay, now you try it.
I'm not really a fan of these foreign type. Let's see.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video, and I never eat this before. It is called shepherd pie. As you can see, it's minced ground beef mixed with vegetable and milk and all sort of stuff. It's more like a mashed potato kind of thing. Yeah, and then you like cook the beef and then you place it in the pan or whatever you make it in, and then you place the mashed potato over the top. Yeah, so let's see what it's like. And you can see the top is a bit crunchy, yeah, and the meat is below. So I will see what this is like. Well, I said never eat. Oh, you know, I don't really like hot food, so I'm gonna just kind of. It is good, but for me, if I think I'm making this personally for myself, whenever I'm seasoning the beef, I would put like some pepper. For me, just the spice. I would prefer tasting the spice. Yeah, so this is shepherd pie. Well, at first I made it. I don't know if it is the right taste that I want, but it tastes good. Yeah, so I guess that's it, guys. I make it to the end of another video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Any video suggestion, you can leave it in the comment section. All right. Thanks again.